Hey guys, this is Sam from Deep South Overlander. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. So today we're back in the garage to discuss overland / off-road / travel trailer or micro camper building. I have researched, viewed hours and hours and hours of content on the subject, and finally this little guy right here popped up on Facebook Marketplace yesterday locally within 30 minutes from me, and I just jumped on it because after months and months and years of research, I could not find what I needed to get started. I could not make myself build one, so on and so on. So this brings me to what I want to talk about, which is the content of this new series, obviously based on this trailer. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I've ingested a lot of content on the topic of building those little micro campers and teardrops or square drops or whatever you want to call them. And although this content is really going to help me going forward, the thing that I wanted to make sure of is that I create a particular series of videos that deal specifically with the topic of buying an already made trailer by somebody who did a do-it-yourself. What this series will be is specifically acquiring a do-it-yourself camper, micro camper or off-road camper, and then modifying it because inevitably the previous owner did some things that you are not particularly in love with, or there are things that lack, so on and so forth. So please stay tuned for the next videos that are going to come in this series. I'm not sure how many they are, but what this first one is going to be is basically I'm going to give you a little bit of background of how I came up to buying this one, as well as what I envision doing to it going forward, so you can follow along with the process. These videos may be long, they may not be long. I'm not the most skilled at editing, but I think that what it will show it will be the actual process.